Hey everyone, welcome to Works for Tools channel. Today I thought we'd take a look at a couple of master fuel pressure testing kits. Snap-on versus BETOOLL. Expensive name brand versus a generic brand that you can get on Amazon. And I have a regular fuel pressure kit that's not a master one, which means it doesn't come with all the adapters from Cornwell. Take a quick look at that. That one's mine. These two are borrowed to do the video. We'll start with the first one here. The BETOOLL. There's a part number on here. I'll put a link below in the description to these also, in case you guys want to find one. No, it's not a sponsored video or anything. I just thought I'd put the link in there to make it easier if you want to look them up. So here's the BETOOLL master kit. Comes with a lot of adapters and hoses. This actually works pretty good. This one is a friend of mine's, Todd's. He's a do-it-yourselfer. He got this so that he can work on his vehicles. He has an '88 Suzuki Samurai, and I gave him a hand figuring that out. So we got to actually use this one. We used this and teed it right into the fuel line to diagnose the problem with the fuel system. That one wound up having junk in the tank from sitting, and we were able to get it fixed in time for him to take it to go hunting. So he was really appreciative of that, and he was glad to have his hunting rig to go and do some hunting. So that was pretty cool. His has a lot of adapters, mostly threaded ones that you can put into here, and it works pretty good. This one was $63 on Amazon. Great price for such a pretty complete kit. Has some quick connects with the T's. Has the valve for doing a deadhead check. That's when you have it in line to the fuel pressure. You twist that valve and all the pressure is right from the fuel pump without going through, and you can see what the maximum pressure it can put out. So that's a pretty cool set. Let's move that one over. And we'll check out the Snap-on set. I really do like Snap-on, and I've been wanting to get one of these sets for a long time, but I haven't pulled the trigger to get one. Adam, my coworker, he bought it, and he let us borrow it to do the video. So this one is pretty cool set. It's got a lot of adapters also, and these ones, what is cool is it has these two for like GM and Ford. The other one doesn't have that setup, but I'm sure it's got, you know, it doesn't have the little hoses, does it? Yes, it does. It has those also. You get a little bit over here. Up here are those hoses for that too. So it has that. This set has a bunch of quick connects and different things. Under here, we see some more hoses and T's. And then the gauge itself, some more O-rings, other clips, and then this is pretty neat. This one also has that shut-off valve to do a deadhead check or just to cut the pressure off, but it's meant to do that. And then some quick connects. Since it's built like this, you're going to have to use the other adapters here to be able to hook it in line to whatever you might be working on that doesn't have that big of a fitting. Pretty cool. This one comes in at $651. Now, I like Snap-on, but that's why I haven't got one yet. $651. Now this one, $63. You can buy 9 or 10 of these, depending on whether you're counting tax, for the price of one of those. So that's pretty crazy. Now you do have the fact that on the Snap-on, it's easy to warranty. You go to your tool rep and you tell them, hey, this is broke, it doesn't work, and you get another one. But for that much money, you could buy another set for a price of just like not even the gauge on this one. Now here's my set. It's just a regular set. It doesn't have all the adapters. It did come with a couple hoses. Like I said, I'll put a link to these. This one was $100. And this one I got from a coworker. I don't remember if I bought it for cheaper than he got it or if we traded something, but it came with a couple hoses. And as we could see, the fittings are all different. Now, I was originally told that the Snap-on one, the fittings would not fit on anything else because it had special fittings. So here's this one. Here's one from the other set. This is from the BETOOLL, this is from Snap-on, and this is from Cornwell. We can see there's a noticeable difference. I messed with it earlier to check, and it looks like we'll find out. Okay, the Cornwell one is not going to fit on, it won't clip to these because the way they're built. Won't clip in there. This one's the one for the BETOOLL, and then this is the one for the Snap-on, and it seems to clip in there and hold pretty tight. Further testing, we'll have to actually hook it up to a car, find out if it leaks, but so far it seems like it would. Obviously, the Snap-on one, this is the BETOOLL. Same situation, seems to go on. We have to find out if it leaks. And then the one for the Snap-on, of course, goes on. And then the one for the Cornwell does not. It's a noticeable difference. The other two are pretty close. It'll kind of clip. Got it to clip earlier. Now it's the other ones that'll clip. The Cornwell one will clip into the Snap-on one, but it's super loose. That's not going to work. So anyway, that's kind of a quick, short little look at some fuel pressure gauges and the sets. I want to thank Todd. He wound up letting me have this set. He appreciated my help on getting his rig running so he could go hunting, and he actually gave this one to me. So that is super cool. Thanks a lot, Todd. Definitely put that to use. So there's some kits. Maybe this will help you if you're looking to get one on pricing and what they have in them. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff if this helps you out. And we'll see you on the next one.